everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here with my friend Nay and Monty.
Yeah, Monty has to join in.
Monty. And today we're doing the British American taste test. So I'm trying some British foods and I picked out some American foods for her to try. So we picked 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so she doesn't know what mine are and I don't know what hers are.
No.
So who wants to start? Do you want to try something American first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this.
I'm really excited.
Okay. So, let's start with something simple. We're gonna go with a Tootsie Roll.
Oh my gosh. No.
Okay.
Is it like a sweet?
So yeah, so it's like, I don't know how to explain it except to say that it's like a chocolate gummy.
Oh my gosh, a chocolate gummy.
Chewy and chocolate. And you can, it's like, yeah, I don't know. Do you like it?
I actually like it.
Yeah, it's good. I love Tootsie Rolls.
I like chocolate but in a sweet.
Yes, exactly.
That's how I would describe it.
Okay, so success on the first one.
I like the Tootsie Roll. I mean, Tootsie.
Yeah, Tootsie Roll.
Oh, they are Tootsie Rolls.
I think maybe they're still like Tootsie Rolls. But I've always said Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, I'm liking it.
Okay, thumbs up for the Tootsie Roll. Okay, cool.
Should we rate it out of 5?
Yeah, good idea.
I'm gonna give this a 4.
Okay, cool.
So, this is a Scotch Egg.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I have seen these. This
I feel really horrible because you just give me this really nice sweet.
Oh, okay. What exactly is this?
Okay, so
A Scotch egg.
it's sausage meat filled with a whole egg and coated in breadcrumbs.
Oh.
So it's cold as well.
Okay.
It's been in the fridge.
Oh, okay.
You don't have to eat all of it.
Like a bite of it.
Just a bite.
Okay, let's go.
You might like it. I mean, they're
might.
alright. The mini ones are more edible. The larger ones, yeah. Would you like to give it a little smell?
Kind of smells like a chicken nugget, honestly. I guess that's the bread part. Okay.
Yeah.
So should I just go for it, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's so awkward to eat as well. It's so big.
Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Is it just split?
Oh, there's an egg in there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try to get all of it in here.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe if I break it in half, it would be easier.
Oh my word, it's just a whole
Whoa.
egg.
Okay. Here we go.
Moment of truth, peeps. Do you like?
To be honest, it's not the worst thing I've ever had.
Yeah.
I like all of these things.
But
Maybe together it's a little weird concept. And it looks gross.
Do you have that concept like in America? No.
Not that I know of. I've never had a Scotch egg.
No.
I'm gonna, it's really not the worst thing I've ever had. So that's the sausage?
Yeah. The concept of it is a lot worse than actually the taste.
Okay. I think it would be good if it was
like mini.
Yeah, mini or like
finger
warm. But then the egg. Should the egg be warm?
Oh yeah. I don't know.
Okay. Not as bad as I was thinking.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say,
like, I want that.
You want Scotch egg?
I want that Scotch egg.
Okay. I'm gonna say that it's a 3.
Yeah.
It's borderline.
It's
not the worst thing I've ever had.
No.
But it's just a little weird.
It is a little weird.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm glad I tried it.
Yeah. I'm gonna give it to Monty.
Good idea. I think Monty's gonna rate that a 5. We're gonna go for it.
Oh my gosh.
Beef jerky. Have you ever had beef jerky?
I've heard of beef jerky.
Okay, so this is the legit like Jack Link's beef jerky.
Oh wow.
So basically it's dehydrated beef.
Okay. It kind of looks like bacon on the picture.
Yeah.
Is it like bacon?
It's sort of like bacon.
Yeah.
I love it, but
cool.
Okay.
I've seen it on Hannah Montana program when they make a song about beef jerky.
Oh yeah.
The beef jerky.
Oh, what do you think of the smell? That's strong.
This is something my brothers would love. Like, they just love, yeah, they love this kind of stuff.
Well, it says no added MSG.
Keeping it healthy, people.
America. Beef. What are you doing? Oh, it's a dangle. Dingle.
Oh, you can't even say it because of my hair. It's a dingle dangle, people. It's actually not that bad.
I like beef jerky.
But it's really chewy.
Yeah, it is.
I'm gonna give it a 3.
Yeah.
It could be a 4 because it's not that bad tasting wise.
Yeah.
But I don't know if I'd like pick it up in a shop and be like,
beef jerky.
Okay.
On to the next thing.
Now this one, I feel really bad about.
Oh no.
Because everyone, like the people I've told that I was doing this challenge, they said make sure you do it on toast or on a crumpet. It's like a spread. And it's a good old, you either hate it or you love it.
Oh no.
Marmite.
Oh, okay.
It's a yeast extract, but I don't even know what really yeast is in bread.
Like, is it the thing that makes bread rise?
Yeah.
How is it a spread?
I have no idea, but it's rich in B vitamins. And it's meant to give you energy and give you some oomph in your breakfast. So everyone was saying you need to put this on toast or a crumpet, but I'm going to put it on the spoon.
Oh, a spoonful of Marmite.
Yeah, I'm going to be kind of like put a tiny, like the tiniest little bit, because Mikey made me do this earlier. Mikey's my boyfriend, by the way. He made me do it earlier because he said I was mean, I didn't get crumpets. And I was like, look, I'll do it. And it actually is a little bit too strong to have on its own.
Oh, it smells not great.
Yeah. You're supposed to have it like on butter. Bread and butter.
It literally tastes like wet dog food.
Oh no.
Oh my gosh,
it's really strong, right?
It really is.
Honestly, you either hate it or you love it.
Wow.
It's really strong. So you have to have it with butter.
If it was on something, it could be more doable.
You might prefer it. To be fair, it's harsh on its own. I don't think anybody actually gets a spoon, puts it into Marmite and eats.
I might get a sip of water. I would say 0, but I feel like if it was on bread, maybe it would be a little.
It's one of those really strong. I can only have a tiny bit.
Do you put it on toast?
Yeah, with butter.
Okay. Oh, yeah,
and then like usually people have it with scrambled egg as well. If they're not well and they have a tummy upset, they'll be like, oh, gonna make you scrambled egg on Marmite toast.
Okay.
You must stay here.
Okay, so candy corn.
Oh my gosh, what's a candy corn?
So I don't know how to explain it, but it's like basically it's a crumb of Scotch egg.
Just bits of Scotch egg. Oh no, he thinks the pillow's his girlfriend.
I'm like heartburn from this. Going down. So candy corn is like a sweet.
Yeah.
It's very sweet.
Okay.
I don't really know how to describe it, but it's more of like a Halloween, like fall.
Okay. Because I've heard of candy corn. This is really exciting.
Yes.
So I think one of the first things I said to you when I met you was, oh my gosh, I love American TV. And I said, I really, really love Catfish. I was like, I really, really love Sneeben backs on Catfish. And you're probably like, well, this girl. But yeah, they always have like candy corn.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see what you think of it. Trying to get comfortable back there.
Yeah, you ruined my candy corn moment. It's like a vanilla.
I guess so, yeah. I guess.
But it's a bit powdery.
Yeah, it is. I don't know, like.
So it's not like jelly. It's like a. How do we...
Yeah, like, I'm trying to think what to compare it with here, but I can't think of it.
It's okay.
It's really sweet, though.
It's really sweet. It doesn't have like a bam flavour.
Yeah, it's
not
true.
like hits you like with a flavour, but I quite like it.
Okay.
So I'll give it a 3.
Okay. Okay.
I'll give it a 3. Okay.
All right.
Now this is slowly going to get into sweet now.
Okay. Anything's better than Marmite.
Yeah.
Spoonful of Marmite.
Okay, these are called licorice all sorts.
Licorice what?
All sorts.
Oh, okay.
It's a sweet, but it's like got a really distinct taste. And my favourite ones are these blue ones. People might know, you know, the blue and the pink ones. They're the best ones.
Oh, they have different flavors. Different colours.
They're different colours, but
same taste?
for some reason, for some reason, these ones are the best ones.
What do they look
Oh my gosh, do they not have it in?
You're kidding me. You see those blue ones there? Yeah.
Here you go. This is the best one.
Okay.
That's really mean that they just put one in a whole pack. In fact, I'm just going to have one.
Do they all taste like this?
Very much. Actually, try a pink one. It's weird, isn't it?
That's better.
Mhm.
Yeah. Pink's much better. That first one tasted slightly like medicine.
It does taste different. It's kind of got a coconutty taste.
Pink one's good.
This
Yeah.
black one though, I don't know if you want to try it, but that one's brutal, I think.
Maybe it says Marmite.
It's like,
It doesn't taste.
oh, this one's got orange in it, I think. Or ginger.
Okay, that's really bad. It's not sweet. The
But
pink one was good.
yeah,
I wouldn't choose that.
I wouldn't go to a shop and be like, oh, I really fancy some licorice all sorts.
That one was bad. It tastes like...
It just tastes awful.
Yeah, it does. Kind of tastes, again, like dog. Okay, I'm going to give... Well, the one I just had, I'm going to give 0.
Yeah.
The pink one, I'm going to give a 3.
Yeah.
It was good, but I wouldn't necessarily choose it. Let's go for Hot Fudge Sundae Pop-Tarts.
Oh,
Have you heard of Pop-Tart?
I've heard of Pop-Tarts.
Yes.
Actually, I love fudge.
Yeah, so...
Can you have it cold?
Yeah, so...
Yeah. Do people
Normally,
usually have it cold?
yeah, just have it cold, or you can pop it in a toaster.
Oh, okay. I'll just have it cold.
Yeah.
So these are hot fudge.
Yeah, hot fudge.
Oh, is it 2?
Yeah, you get 2 in a pack.
Ooh.
Oh, it looks...
Instead of in a decoration.
I don't even know what hot fudge sundae. Does it taste like anything?
It does taste like...
Can you imagine eating it for breakfast?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, it's like a dessert.
It's like a dessert. It's like a biscuit, but I'm trying to think what biscuit is like.
Is it chocolate? Like the outer, this part, is that chocolate?
But it's like, it doesn't feel like chocolate.
No.
Like, I know it's chocolate, but it doesn't like go bam.
Yeah, I think...
I'm not feeling this. Yeah. Would you like some?
Yeah, I kind of just want to try like part of it. You don't have
It's
to finish
alright, the filling's nice. But
it's bland.
it's bland. Like, I was expecting like... Sorry, artificially flavoured. You know they say no artificials? Or it's naturally and
And
artificially.
artificially. Yeah.
I'm not sure, people.
I'm not either.
It's just a little bit, it doesn't have that wow.
Doesn't have the wow factor here.
Like the packaging, it's like pop.
It's
you
like,
know,
man, that looks awesome.
It like stands out. It's like, whoa, it looks well. And I love hot fudge and I love sundaes, and I just feel like
we're not going to give this one to Monty.
I'm going to give it a 2 because I don't think it deserves a 1.
But definitely not a
But
5.
definitely not a 5, really, sadly. Maybe if it was warm, I might prefer it.
Yeah. But even still, it's just kind of bland. Actually, doesn't taste anything like a hot fudge sundae. It tastes like cardboard. 16 grams of sugar for breakfast. And this is the ingredient list. This long thing right here.
Oh my word.
I don't recognize any of these except sugar.
It actually has vitamins in it.
Oh.
Reduced iron. How weird. Lots of E numbers. When you're kids, you know, you get those ice pops.
Yeah.
And they're like full of E numbers, and they'd warn you against them. They'd be like, no, you're not having any E numbers.
I like how it says may have an adverse effect on activity and attention in children. Wow.
Just as a warning.
If that doesn't tell you something.
Yeah, don't give it to children. 2 Jaffa Cakes.
Ooh.
Okay, do you like orange?
Yeah.
Like orange flavoured things?
Yes.
Okay, so Jaffa Cakes, there's this whole controversy. Now I've gone with Tesco's own brand just because it was 80p. But there's this whole controversy of whether this is a biscuit or a cake.
Oh.
And is it McVitie's? I might be getting my facts wrong. Who actually like own this brand. And I think there's a law where they have to either call it a cake or a biscuit, and I haven't figured out which one it is. I need to Google it. I've forgotten. But when you taste it, I just think it's a cake. I mean, it even says Jaffa Cake. Okay.
Okay.
Here you go.
Yeah, it feels soft.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a marshmallow.
Yeah.
Okay. It's good.
Do you like it?
It's like, yeah, I do. It's kind of like the bottom part, that'd be the cake part. It's sort of a little bland.
Yeah.
But the rest of it's good.
Yeah. See, I'm not a massive fan of Jaffa Cakes. I think they're alright. I think the orange bit's really strong. And I'm not a massive like orange.
Is it a jelly?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not bad.
No, it's not bad. So it's like sort of like stale cake with a hard chocolate top and orange jelly.
Yeah. But I just don't know why but people say it's a biscuit. Like there's an argument if it's a biscuit or a cake.
It's like the top of a muffin or something.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give it a 3 maybe. Okay.
Yeah.
I would eat it if it was there.
Yeah, if you're like you're really desperately hungry.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't go pick it out in the store. Are we on to the last thing?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Final one each of these. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Kind of excited about this one. I think you're gonna like this one. So these are Snowballs. Have you ever heard of these?
I've
The
seen
Hostess cakes.
No.
So it's Hostess Snowballs, and basically it's coconut and marshmallow covered chocolate cake with a creamy filling.
Oh my gosh.
Do you like this?
That just sounds amazing.
Okay.
To me, that sounds amazing. Ooh.
They're soft.
That is the weirdest.
It looks like moss on the ground or something.
So is this marshmallow?
Yeah. Yep.
Not cake.
No, it's marshmallow covered chocolate. Oh wait, no, it's chocolate cake.
Oh, a little bit of cake.
Yeah, it does have chocolate cake in it.
This is so weird. Like, it's the weirdest texture. It's not that bad.
But it's not super flavorful.
Not got super flavour. Again, like the Pop-Tart, it's got the chocolate, but it's not like chocolate.
Yeah.
It's like, it's such such a weird texture.
I haven't had these since I was like in kindergarten, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not good. Pop that guy back. Pop that guy back.
I really want to like it.
It looks like a creature. A little creature.
Oh, it actually does.
You have crumb
Look,
color.
it's a little hedgehog. Yeah. What would I give this? It's really messy to eat.
It really is.
If I just show,
It's crumbly.
it's really crumbly. It's a bit of one of those really awkward things to eat.
Yeah,
Like
it is.
especially if you were like on a date or with
Yeah.
like,
Yeah, you just be like,
yeah.
To be honest, that's how I eat mine. But this just takes it to another level.
1 to 5. Oh, what did I give the Pop Tarts? Was it a 2?
Yeah.
I might give it a 2.
It's kind of bland, just as bland as the Pop-Tarts.
Oh, I feel like I've left the best till last.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Maltesers. So these would be kind of like the equivalent of Whoppers in the States.
Yeah.
Kind of the same thing, but.
These, honestly, they just melt in your mouth.
Okay.
And they're really like addictive. You just keep eating them.
That's not good. Okay. Here we go. They're really good.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give them a 5. This is the
I'm gonna
first thing
have
that's
one.
gotten a 5.
Ooh.
Double. Yeah.
These are the winner.
Maltesers are the winner. Okay, so out of everything, what was your favorite and your least favorite?
Okay.
So we have candy corn, Tootsie Rolls, Pop-Tarts, Snowballs, and beef jerky.
Okay, I'm gonna go with Tootsie Roll
As your favorite?
as my favourite.
Okay.
But the beef jerky like is up there.
Yeah.
And then my least favourite is like I think it's gonna be the Pop Tarts.
Yeah. Probably because it was such a letdown.
It was such a letdown, and like the warnings kind of scare me a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
Don't give it to your children.
May cause, what was it? May have an adverse effect on activity and attention in children.
I think
Not good.
Yeah. What would you say is your favourite out of the Maltesers, the Jaffa Cakes, licorice all sorts, Scotch Egg or Marmite? Favourite and least favourite.
Okay, favorite was the Maltesers.
Yeah.
Least favorite has to be Marmite.
Yeah.
I still feel it in my heart. The Scotch Egg was like, it sounds really gross.
Yeah.
But it's actually not
It's not that bad.
That concludes our British American taste test. Hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, whatever you're supposed to do on YouTube videos.
So anyway,
Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
bye.